A Russian army chief who served as Putin's bodyguard took luxury trips to Africa with young models and an anti-war life coach half his age, a new probe has revealed. Five-star hotel general Viktor Zolotov partied with emotional intelligence expert and influencer Evelina Levi, then 36, at the Four Seasons resort on the picturesque Indian Ocean Islands after taking a private jet. Zolotov is commander-in-chief of the Russian National Guard, which has lost tens of thousands of men in Ukraine since the beginning of Russia's invasion on February 24. The news first published by anti-Putin unit the Dossier Center comes after the Kremlin slammed Russians enjoying Western luxuries. Among others on the trip was Russian oligarch Boris Vininsky, brought to Moscow by Putin soon after he won the presidency, whose food business has exclusive ties with the National Guard. Records show Vininsky owned a luxury penthouse in London's upscale Queen's Gate. A day before the first of several exotic flight by General Zolotov on a Falcon 7 business jet at a cost of some £150,000, a Russian government decree was signed confirming Vininsky's company Druzhba Nardov as sole supplier to Putin's National Guards. The Dossier Center is linked to exiled Kremlin foe Mikhail Khodorkovsky, a tycoon who was jailed for a decade before leaving the country. Lieutenant General Roman Gavrilov was also present on the Seychelles getaway. He has since resigned since the war began amid an alleged corruption probe over funds allocated to the troops. Zolotov's son Roman, and clothing entrepreneur Anastasia Buevich, joined. Other glamorous women included the founder of Art Life Project Anastasia Andreeva, 24 at the time of the trip, and her deputy Kristina Lonsova, then 27. Details of the lavish 2017 jaunt emerged as the women left a trail of social media postings, it was claimed. Zolotov's presence was confirmed by several reliable sources, said the Dossier Center, though pictures do not show him. He is known to be close to Putin, who consults the supreme loyalist on war tactics, according to reports in Moscow. Other generals come and go as Putin tires of them, but Zolotov has been by his side for years, the most high-ranking of multiple personal bodyguards who have been promoted by the Kremlin leader. Ms. Levi was educated at the Emotional Intelligence Academy in Manchester. She has said, "I do brain plastic surgery. I teach people not only to correctly recognize emotions, but even to plan for their occurrence, in order to then direct them in the right direction." It is unclear how or why she was by the general's side in paradise, but she said, "I am not a psychologist, I am not a matchmaker and, unlike many women, I do not have to put on a mask of a bitch. I'm good with myself. I don't solve your problems, I don't care about your past. It cannot be changed and there is no point in digging into it." Zolotov's grandson was educated at the UK's Cranleigh School in Surrey, alongside close friends of Luisa Rozova, 19, Putin's reported secret daughter who has vanished from social media since before the start of the war in Ukraine. "I work with your future, changing your attitude to current situations and making you understand the true causes of negativity in your life." After the war broke out, she urged her followers not to give in to panic nor multiply hatred. She added, "Let there be peace." And while Putin's generals and their families enjoy the tropics with beautiful starlets, Russian soldiers in Ukraine are not so lucky. In the war, young men from poor families are sent en masse, attracted by promises of good salaries, but what they find is neither luxury nor starlets, but only death in the occupied Ukrainian country.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.